kulo mhlaba. Amen. Today ukuvula nje and lay a button and give us a button. Amen. Today is just for a button. A button. It's not izabambeki noNkulunkulu ibutton ingekho. Button is necessary. It is what keeps you going. If awunamthwalo, you don't bother, you relax, you rest. Am I communicating? It's like you don't find a reason to do anything. You don't find a reason to pray. You don't find a reason to study the word. Like there's nothing that bothers you. But abantu abayazi ukuthi banomthwalo bayayazi into banesizathu sokuhlala until something happens ebomini babo. No matter the cost, because of the burden. There was a lady in the Bible, babesithi njalo makabe besiye eShilo. Noma wayengenanto iphathekayo kodwa wayesiya nomthwalo eShilo bathandekayo. Ithi every time uPenina nabanye banezizathu zokubulela, but every time esiya akananto yokubulela. Hasathi ohlabelelayo ngobonga ngani enkosini tingenanu utho ngiyobonga nganingi yobonga enkosini tingenani iyamtsala ithi makabonge nobengena lutho. Ithi makaye stop impatting, ithi press on. Noma kalungi kuwo kwangophathe ithi kuzawulunga awuncami up until you see something happens. Noma uyathukwa noma ibonakali lento uyenzayo, but you are doing something and you are doing something. You are striking. Hey. Ingathi ayikho lento uyenzayo kwangoku. Ingathi lento uyenzayo ayikho kwabakhangele bekude. Sikashumayela. Ingathi ayikho lento uyenzayo kwabakujonge bekude. Ngoba uthi bakabe fika umpriest uthi lento uyenzayo le. Ingathi ayisambi yonke inokuncila ngapha. Ingathi le pattern lena yahlukile, ingathi nomncilo phakathi. But even lo mazwi couldn't shake uMamwana. Couldn't even distract her. But he continued. He persisted. Up until wabona ngoba uMkristu nole. Let it be according. Kokuyaqamba lo mama akadinwa. Into lento ayivileyo ngoThixo lento anganamiyo. Sikulona namhlanje into le oyaziyo ngoThixo ebanga unganami. Noma abanye bayaqhubeka kodwa ubona ukwambakho ingathi kumile. Into oyaziyo ngoThixo ebanga ungaphazamiseki nayiqhubela phambili yabanye abantu. Understand uNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu wesizi. It might not be yours for now. What is it that you know about? Into lekwenza uqhubekeke noma isimo singatshintshi. Into le oyivileyo ngoThixo yakuzalela elwazini lakhe. Ngoba first you need to hear something. Uthi la mama wava something about uJesu. uJesu. And then kwazaleka into enhlizweni yakuba noma nofikelela kuye kodwa manibambe into. Noba ngabamba noba into na kunento etshoyo uba le nto yakhe ingafumaneka nakwinto ayinxibileyo. Bathandekayo, nayazi amandla le nto angafumaneka nasesithunzini. Uyawazi amandla le nto yinto oyaziyo ngaye. What you know about God will keep you in the days of your trouble. It will keep you. The knowledge of God will keep you. Will keep you. Yinto le yenza lo mfo akarelaxa xa kuthi into abantu makaphoswe kumngxunya wengonyama yinto le ehamba ngakhankalazi. But of one place of rest, a place of comfort. Ezandleni kaNkulunkulu akakhankalaza. But wavumba makangene. Engenile akatatazela kodwa waqamela ekwazini kwakhe